Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are looking at another website where you can find copyright-free images to use for your projects. So this one, as you can see here, we are on FreeImages.com. If you go onto this one in the top right corner, that's where you can log in or sign in, create your account. If you'd like, you can see I'm signed in there. And in the middle here, you can see there's a simple search bar. So to use it, you can simply go in. Maybe I want to look for sunset landscapes. We'll see what shows up here. It went to iStock Photos, so make sure you don't want to go to that one. You want to come back here to Free Images, and they found 167 free sunset landscape photos. So I'm going to click on this one here. Maybe I like that one. And what you can do is hit Show More and scroll down, and you can see the type of license here. And if you want to read through that, we can click through that, and that's going to tell you everything that you can and can't do with the images from here. One thing that I do want to note is that you can't just sell the image as is. You can include it as part of like a project, use it as a reference image if you're an artist, things like that, but you can't just take it and print it digitally and sell it. That's one of the big things. The other big thing here is it says certain content providers require attribution when you use their content, and it says unless otherwise specified at the time of download, you should include the following credit adjacent to the content or in the visual production credits, and you can do that there. So if I go back to this image here, and let's say I hit the free download button, and let's download that. It makes you wait a few seconds to download it. There you go. Once it is started, then it gives you the attribution that you need, so you can just copy that. And then what I often do is just, once I've copied that, I make the name of the image that attribution, and so then I always have it. If I want to use it at a later time, I don't have to go back and find it again. I can just have it always there with the photo. If you want to upload your own images, you can upload there. You can edit your profile, add your social media accounts, kind of things like that, if you're going to want to add your own stuff to Free Images. But that's it. Free Images is super easy to use. They don't have quite as many images as some other photo libraries do, but it's another good place that you can check out and see if you can find images that you might need to use. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to comment below or send me a message. I'm more than happy to help in any way that I can. Check out the other videos I've done on other websites similar to this. I'll link that playlist in the description below, and we'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.